See here, today we are
Okay.
going to see that the part
This is
Palo Alto.
different.
Yeah, that is just I finished for another class.
VPNs, yeah.
Yeah, DMVPN phase 3 was there. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay. Just I finished that one. Okay, let us come
yeah.
to the points we have here.
Mm-hmm.
Today's class. Just one minute.
Yeah.
We have here network,
Mm-hmm.
network, port, address, translation.
Okay.
Translation is there.
Mm-hmm.
What we will see here? What is NatPad?
Okay.
NatPad. Next is coming. We have here static net,
Okay. Okay.
dynamic IP net,
Okay.
IP net, and we will see dynamic IP and port, dynamic IP and port,
Mm-hmm.
NAT.
Okay.
That is bad. Static NAT we have here 1 to 1. This is here we will use the pull.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So I'm coming to points here. We have already created a translation. Remember? So you open your. I'm coming on. You open your VM. In the
Okay.
in the VM you open your GUI. Okay. Palo Alto.
Yeah.
Then after you open your server
Yeah, I did.
or your Windows, anything. Okay.
So server is on. Yeah.
Okay, your server is on. Okay, fine. So what we
Yes.
have done, let me come on that. We have already created the translation. You remember? We have the last
Yes.
default we have
Yeah.
already. Let me come on that. Already
So I have to
created the translation. With the translation, you remember, no? That NAT part I
yes.
told you. We are going with that.
Yes.
Rules inside the policy. It is the translation where we have the rules inside the policy. Rules, remember, inside the
Yes.
policy. Inside the policy.
So
Right?
now I could see one translation is already there.
Yeah. Just we have already
Okay.
NAT for internet using functionality. We have,
Yes.
let me write everything. Should be with you. We have already the NAT for internet for using the functionality.
Okay.
Using the functionality. Correct, right?
Yeah.
So what is happening here? We have here you should come here inside that.
So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't see. Okay.
Okay. Just come here. And by default, you will find here. And by default, You will find the global NAT
Mhm.
functionality is there. By default, you see there, open the NAT section, you have the global NAT functionality.
I open NAT, then I have to go and click on add.
No, you have global NAT, see here, global NAT functionality. By default, global NAT functionality is there.
Where will I find it? I can see. I went into policies. I clicked on NAT.
Hmm, hmm.
After
See
that,
here,
I can't see
that
anything.
two NAT is there. One is by default NAT, the by default NAT was present, and one you have defined the NAT. You remember, we have created one
I
NAT. Uh,
uh I did we delete anything last time? Did we delete the by default NAT then?
you have deleted. That's what I was told. You know that you have to
Oh,
work on that. That NAT should be work on that. Okay. When you are going to
okay.
translate from there to there, it should be work. Okay, I'm writing this point. Okay, I'm giving that
Yeah.
functionality. Okay, you should follow up.
I
Huh?
think I don't know to do it. That's the reason why I haven't done it.
Okay,
Can you
okay,
quickly tell me how to do it?
okay, okay. Just 2 minutes. Then you have
Yeah.
to rules and all things. You have to work on that also. You remember because
Yeah.
that things also you have to
I think
create that.
rules we have the by default
There is
ones.
yeah that policy inside the policy you have to allow here. That part inside the policy, no, you have to allow this part. You remember, no?
I remember, but I just wanted to see my VMware. That's the thing.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Part is coming. Okay, just 1 minute. We have here 1 minute. Just let me come to the math part. Let me come on that. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll be give you one getting this part.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay, you have here NAT policy rules. Okay, that security zones and everything you have created, right? Remember, Ethernet 1/1.
I know we have created, but
Uh-huh.
there's something that we deleted last time. So if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
could
just
just check if
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I'm just giving you details. That is Ethernet
Mm-hmm.
1/1 is your NAT. Remember, correct?
Yes, yes,
Then after Ethernet 1/2 is your host, right?
yes,
And
yeah,
we are not using Ethernet 1/3 that is going for the DMZ zone, but we are not using this one. We don't require right now DMZ zone.
correct.
That is for HTTP and HTTPS, right? Then after what we have
Yes,
done, we have come to the that IP addresses and all we have done. Correct? No, we have getting from our
yeah,
NAT and we have get
yes,
from where from our host. Correct?
yes,
You understand
yes,
the point? Right. I'll just
yes.
complete it. Let me explain to you. Like we have host is there.
So it would be okay. Explain me this only.
Okay, now let me come. Then after
Yeah.
that, NAT will be clear. This is your host.
Mm.
This is your
Yes,
Palo Alto, and this is your
yes,
going to here. This is your net
eh,
internet
yes,
that is going with NAT
yes.
NAT
Translation.
8 correct. This is your
Yes.
NAT
Net
1,
one. We are one.
and this is going to
And
connect with management
yes,
MCMT management with your what NAT 0.
yes,
Correct, no? This was our
yes,
connectivity.
yes,
And when we are going to
yes,
outside, we have here dot two. Correct, no?
yes, yes.
This is the things we have done, the basics, right? So what happened? We have done on go to the NAT and PAN part. That route you have done. We have the route is there. Remember, name is
Yeah.
outside route, and then
Mm-hmm.
after it is going with inter. You check it now. So interfaces is Ethernet 1/1. Correct, because Ethernet
So
1/1 is Ethernet. Wait. Ethernet 1/1. This is my Ethernet 1/1 is outside. Correct. You have
Ethernet 1/1 is outside. Yes, that is correct.
Ethernet.
206.10.
Yeah, two Ethernet
One
one
slash
slash
one.
1/2 is your inside. Correct, no?
1/2 is inside. Yes.
Yeah. So what we have done on the routing part. In the routing, what we have done, let me revise once again. Routing, what we
Huh.
have done, we have created name outside out. Remember,
Yes.
name is our
Yes.
outside route. Let me go very fast. outside route, and there we have given in
So
the
your voice is
description.
gone. Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear right now. And our description, on the description
Yes.
part, in the description part, what I have done, the description I have given here 0.0.0.0 slash
Yes.
0,
That I know.
right?
Yes.
And
0.
interface, yeah,
Yes.
and interface was my once Ethernet 1/1.
1
Correct?
slash 1. Let's go
Correct.
outside.
Or which,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly route is required. Gateway is your 1/1.
Yes.
Yeah, that things we have done,
Yes.
right? Gateway IP is
Yes.
my 1/.2. Gateway IP is .2. Correct?
Dot 2. Yes.
That part we have done here. Then third we are coming. This is first part. Then after this is routing. Second part we have done. Then after we are coming the third point. The third point what? Then after we are coming on the configure NAT and PAT configuration here. Just
Yes.
try to
Yes.
concentrate. Then
Yeah.
we are coming. We are coming to configure NAT and PAT. Okay,
Yeah.
NAT and PAT. Fine. So
Hmm.
for that, what we have done, go to the policies. Hold
Okay.
up. Okay.
Yeah.
You write all points. Go to the policies.
Yeah.
On left side, you will find the NAT. That
Yes.
is there. Add and create the
Yeah.
NAT policy. Name is you
Yeah.
should write here.
Okay.
What is there in your Australia that jobs is there? How there? That is good. Inside to
Oh,
outside.
it is very bad these days because of COVID-19, and again there's a wave of COVID-19 in Melbourne.
Oh, again they are fine. Here is also
Yes.
India also the same conditions is there.
Again, the
Because like
second wave has come,
okay.
and considering the current situation, I don't think so. They're recruiting anyone recently.
But what I will tell you, like you should write that PC in essay. Okay. Don't go for if you are
Huh?
not planning for you write that PC in essay that you're valid
Okay.
law, and then after
Okay.
FortiGate you should write. FortiGate is very much demanding. If you are not planning for
Yes.
FortiGate, load balancer F5 you do. Okay, these
But
two is
that is
most
very
important.
difficult.
Okay, but see, and jobs is there. You don't say like that
Yeah.
recruitment is not there because like, so many students from the different places. Jobs are there, but
Yeah.
you should have to in this time multi-talent they are looking for, like
Multi. Yeah,
multitasking,
that's true. That's true. Yes.
multitasking. We'll say right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here we have inside to outside. Then after what we will do
No,
original
and here, no, mostly the visa concern is also a problem now.
for
They are
Australia.
not taking anyone's, yeah, they're not taking people other than permanent resident or citizens.
Okay, for
Yeah,
job.
that is a problem.
And inside the job also they are giving to their part their papers, right? Not for the outsider, right?
Yes, the same thing what was happening in US, the same thing has come up here now. And they are, I mean, very difficult for temporary residents. All they need is permanent residents.
And how when we will get like after 10 years, right?
That is very, yeah, not so soon.
Okay, wait, something will happen. I think supposed to like that situation will
Hopefully
come down.
soon.
Everyone,
Yeah.
because we are also planning to shift. We are also planning to like no Swiss India to
Hmm.
other place. Just so we'll see.
Okay.
I had the opportunity, but because of COVID only, like we are waiting, and then
Hmm.
that baby born is there.
Oh, yeah.
So here that
Okay,
we have name.
I'll make it.
Name is
Okay.
inside to outside, and
Yeah.
then after we are coming on that, we are giving here name
Hmm.
is there. Okay,
Hmm.
just 2 minutes. Add to that. We are add inside also original packets. Okay, we are coming here on the
Okay.
original packets.
Okay.
Original packets is security zone. Security zone. Okay, from
No,
inside
that's
inside
source zone.
yeah, security zone when you will come from inside from inside
Inside.
from
Yeah.
inside destination is my
Destination. Okay.
destination is my outside.
Outside. Yeah.
Okay, then after we are coming on the destination
Yes.
interface, that part is done.
Interface.
Yeah, that is
Yes.
done. Then after we are coming on the second point here, the second point is giving you destination interface.
Yes.
interface, that is my Ethernet 1/1, or I'm telling you,
Mm-hmm.
you can use any also, or you can
I'm using
use,
1/1 only, I think.
okay, you
Yeah.
can use any also.
Any. Yeah.
Okay. Then after we are coming here,
Yes.
services should be any.
Any. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then after we are coming on
Yes.
the third point, this is the third here, translated packet.
Okay.
Inside the translated packet, and coming I'm explaining here. Translation type is right here. Translation type, dynamic IP and port.
Okay.
Dynamic IP and port.
Port.
Then address is address type, interface type. Okay,
Okay.
interface type. Let me come to the next point here.
Mm-hmm.
Interface is my
Outside interface.
Ethernet 1/1. Yeah,
Yeah.
Ethernet 1/1 IP address. It will take automatically.
200.6.
Automatically
Yeah.
it will take, right? Then after we are coming, then okay. Then after we are coming on the
Okay.
security policy, right? Configure the
Yeah.
security policy. I told you why we need here. Let me go through that once again. Done this point. We are coming on the security policy. This is my security.
Security policies
Yeah.
already has
Inside,
two rules.
yeah. Inside policy, let me come here. Inside policies, you have security policies. I'm not going to
Mm-hmm.
explain the security policy we have already done. From inside to outside we are going.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
policies,
Yeah.
policies, you should come on the security
Yeah.
section. Then after you should come on
General.
the add, give the name,
Yeah.
give the name inside
Yeah.
to outside. Give the name here,
Okay.
last
Okay. Done.
name. That should be my inside to
Outside.
outside. Okay. Then after add source zone. This is first. This is second. This is first. Add source zone.
Okay. Inside.
Source zone is my inside. Add destination.
Outside.
Correct.
Application.
Outside.
Nothing to select. Only actions. No. Directly allow.
Yeah. Go to the actions and then after you have to allow. Okay.
Yeah. This is done.
So that, so what is happening in the lab? Come on the dashboard, you will find here generate general inside to outside, source is inside, and then after you have to comment it, right? Then after you
Yes.
have
I'm
to
just
comment.
doing it now. Give me a
Yeah.
second.
Okay. Management part already we have done. Remember,
Yes.
management you have done there. That login
Okay.
banners and all.
Configuration is saved.
Save, no? Yeah. What happened?
Yes.
We have management part we have already done. Management is already
Yeah.
done. What you do? You should try to ping from your PC to that your inside interface.
PC. You mean to say your
Yeah,
Windows
Windows
Server,
7,
right?
not server.
Yeah.
Your PC, your PC, your PC.
My
Yeah, that PC, not going there. From your PC, you should try
okay.
to
Local machine.
local machine. Yeah,
Okay. Where should I ping?
your inside, go to
Okay.
outside, and ping your server 4.2.2.2 and 8.8.8.8.
So I can ping my DNS. On my local machine, I can ping now. Do you want to ping the interfaces?
Yeah, try to ping this.
192.168.206.10. It's pinging. 238.2. It's not reachable. 238.10. Sorry. Yeah, it's pinging.
Then, okay, fine.
Yeah.
That NAT is done. Okay, we are coming here. Let's see here. Then after today's task, we are coming on our today's task.
So I ping from my local Windows 10 machine to the inside interfaces. I mean, inside and outside interface.
Yeah.
And DNS also.
Yeah, if you want to ping from your Windows server also, you should try. That will also
Okay.
work. Right?
Okay.
Same thing. Just try to ping.
Yeah. I'm just trying it. Yeah, it's pinging. DNS is pinging.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So what we are doing here today we
Yeah.
are going to see dynamic IP and NAT port map. Okay. Today's is our
Okay.
task is dynamic IP and port NAT. Okay. So see
Yeah.
here what we will get. Let me explain you. Just try to assume this is our client are sitting here. Means you people are sitting here. Okay. Your
Yeah.
network is client PC's network. These all are
Okay.
one switch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And tell me your inside
Yeah.
network. What is your inside network?
Inside is 192.168.238.0.
192.168.238.0
Yes.
slash 24. I'm giving
24.
I'm giving dot 1 to here, dot 2 to here, and dot 3 to here.
Mm-hmm.
3 PC or 4
Okay.
PC connected here. Okay, and dot 4. Then
Okay.
what happened? This is going to connect. This is my
Yeah.
company. This is my company A2S networking. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the company here. And what happened? This is my coming. Then after, this is my inside border. Then after we are coming on the Palo Alto. This is my Palo Alto firewall. Firewall here. Then after what happened? This is going to connect with some server or PC. Correct or not? Maybe this is the outside server is there.
Yes. Yes.
After it is reached to internet, this is the internet, and after that you are reaching to Google server. Inside there, this is internet. Inside internet, you have to reach to the Google
Server. Yeah.
server. That is my 4.2.2.2 or 8.8.8.8 like this way.
8.
Okay, understood?
Yeah.
What is happening here? See, when you are coming to outside, this is my outside platform. When you are reaching to outside platform, here
Okay.
the IP address you have what? Tell me, give me the IP address of your outside platform.
192.168.206.0.
Dot zero network is there. Okay.
Yeah.
That is 3. We have here 4 is there. From that 4, it will take 192.168. Let me write like this way.
206.
Yeah. One 192.168.206.1.
1.
This is creating a pool. 168.06.2
Yes.
dot 3 same network and dot
Yeah.
4. Fine. These are the 4 networks
Yes.
we will create. And with the help of these 4 network, this is the network. With the help of these 4 network, we are reaching to here. If the reply back is coming from here, it should reach to here. That means it is acts as a proxy. Understood my point? This is my
Yes.
task here inside. So how the solutions after that you are getting here? Let me explain you. Done? Understood here? This point?
Yes.
So what
This one
we will,
understood.
yeah, let me come here. What we will get, the pad table. Let me write here the pad table. Pad table, okay. The pad table, what happened? That protocol is coming. First, the protocol is coming. Then after, we have the inside local,
Hmm.
inside local. Then after we have inside global.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we have the outside global.
Yeah.
Outside global. Okay. So see here.
Yeah.
Protocol is mine, TCP
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and TCP. Okay.
Yes.
I'm using only 2 IP address. I have given there
Okay.
4. I'll be
4.
used here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be used here only 2. So
Yes.
inside is mine 192.168.
This is you're talking with respect to static or what? Anything.
That is going to pool. We are creating the pool. In the
Okay.
inside
Okay. Okay.
also we
Fine. Fine.
have the
Fine.
client side
Got it.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah. 192,
Yeah. Yeah.
168. And tell me what is your inside is
Inside
238.
inside is 238
Two-
dot 1234 whatever
Okay,
I
238. 1 minute.
dot one.
Okay. 238.1. And then
Okay.
after we have here, other is my 192.168.238.2.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Then after
Yes.
it will reach, this is our IP address. Okay. This is our address.
Yeah.
This is our address part. Then after it will reach to port. Port.
Yes.
Any random port it will take.
Random port.
Just
Yeah.
assume 3001 and 3000.
Mm-hmm.
It's took the these 2 ports. Then after we are reaching to the inside global. Here also we have the address is there. We have the
Yeah.
address is there, and then after we have the port is there. We have
Yes.
port is there. Okay. So that
Hmm.
address is mine 192.168
168
dot
206.
206.1 and
Yeah.
192.168.206.2.
2006.2.
That port should be anything like
Anything.
2001, 2002. And
Yeah.
after that, what is happening outside global? Inside that
Hmm.
address is there. Inside that address is there. Address will be there.
Mm.
And wait a minute, just a minute. And that address is mine 4.2.2.2 or
Okay.
8.8.8.8 or
8.8. Yes.
4.2.2.2, and it will be
Yeah.
reached via either HTTP or 25. You understood my
Okay.
point? Any that
Yes.
defined port. Okay. So like this way the
Yes.
process follow up we will do inside the pad table. Like this way
Okay.
it should go. Understood my point?
So if I'm trying to ping Google, still it will hit the DNS or it will give any random number, a
No,
random IP address.
it is going by it should reach to DNS, hit your DNS.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Okay.
it
Okay.
should be go with the test route. Okay. It
Okay.
should reach
Yeah.
there, but it should reach to the test route.
Okay.
Then after we are coming here, then up to here, clear this point.
Yes. This point is clear. Yes.
Let me come to your the point should be here. Now translate packets. What we will do? Let me start from uh, translate packet translate packet, what we will do, if you go to the translation packet, translation type,
Mm-hmm.
translation, wait a minute. What we will do, translation type, translation type is my dynamic IP. Okay,
Okay.
dynamic IP. You can add the public IP address range of the pool here. Okay,
Okay.
the dynamic IP, what I am telling you, you can add, you can add the public IP address. Just a minute, just a minute.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there. Just
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay.
somebody.
No problem. Just take your time. That's okay.
Okay, not an issue. So you can
Yeah.
add the public IP address.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, public.
Should I again go to my VMware and do it?
Yeah, that's things we have to do here. Today's task is there. Okay, so you can
Okay.
add the public IP address.
So if I go to NAT, I have to create another rule now.
Yeah, I'm coming there. I'm coming. I'm explaining you. Okay,
Okay.
let me come here.
Okay.
Public IP address, range of
Yeah.
the pool, range of the pool. First point is this one. So we have also have the option for the static IP. You understood? So that
Yes.
thing also we can do. Static IP also we can do. I'm telling you that we have done.
Okay.
Yeah, we have the options is there. Either we can go with the dynamic or we have the options we should go with the static IP, right?
Static.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we will do on our lab is giving the,
Okay.
this is the, I'm telling you, we have the task is there. We can do these things also. But our aim here, that is very much important. This is the new things here. What we will do, our lab is telling, go
Mm-hmm.
on the Windows server, on the server, go on the Windows server, okay? And inside the server, we are going to create the basic static NAT. We are, before that, we are getting dynamic IP, remember, no? So what we
Yes.
will do, we are going to, let's try to see, going to create the basic static NAT, okay? First point.
Okay.
So that should be from that address, no, you are getting from there, you should take any IP address, okay? So
Okay. So now should I? Okay. Now do you want me to do it or you want me to just listen to it?
no, follow my steps.
Okay. So do I delete this NAT rule now?
No, it should be there. Leave
It
it
should be
there.
there. Okay.
Yeah, basic static NAT. What I am telling you. Yeah, basic static NAT.
Okay. So I'll just write a basic static NAT.
Hmm.
Static
And so
NAT.
that.
So name is static NAT.
Hmm. So first,
Original.
what we are doing here, we are writing. Let me write this one. So right here, name is mine here. That is static NAT. Name is mine
Hmm.
here. Static, static, static NAT. Okay,
Okay.
static NAT. Second point, you should write here original packet.
Yeah.
Original packet. Source zone, write this one. Source zone is mine. Source zone is mine inside. Okay, inside.
Yeah.
And destination destination zone is mine outside.
So destination interface, right?
No, destination zone is there. You will find there original packet inside the original packet. Destination zone is there.
Uh,
Okay, or
Yeah,
other.
yeah. It's. I got it.
Understood. So destination
Yes.
door is there. That is my outside is there. Okay. Then after we are
Yeah.
coming on the third here. That third point. In the third point, what happened? We have here that services is also
Definitely.
there. You will find that services is there.
Yes.
Services is there. You should click on the
Yes.
services. Inside the services,
Okay.
what you do? Inside the
Mm-hmm.
services, you check it. Service HTTP. Service
Okay. Done.
HTTP. Correct? Right.
Yes.
And
Yes.
that here in the source address, inside the source address is there. You should check source address will be there. Source address is there. Source address is there.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
There you should write the client IP address. That means your Windows Server IP address.
Windows Server IP address. Let me quickly go there and I will check it here.
Windows Server. Windows Server IP address.
Two 38.4.
Okay, fine. Okay, you have given.
Yeah.
Fine. This part is done.
Yeah.
Then after we are coming on the third point. Let me write here. Third point, what you do?
So how do I write this IP address? Okay.
Ah,
Okay. Done.
then no, you should get there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then after what? Translate packet is coming here. Translate packet. Translate packet part is coming. Remember, see there, translate packet is there. That is the first, third one, third option.
Yes. Last
Last one,
option.
yeah, yeah. Inside the translate packet, what you do? Translate type.
Mm-hmm.
Banner. Change this one. Here is the right here. Translate type. Translate type is mine. Static IP. Static IP. Then after translate IP. Translate IP will be mine. Any public IP. Any public IP you should take. Any public IP. You have that public IP range is there. So from there you should take any public IP address.
Okay.
You understood my point?
Yes.
Then just click there. You should come here. Just click there. You will find there. Just click on. Just click on here. That one box is coming. Inside that box, you should write. You should have to write there. Use bidirectional also. Use bidirectional
Yes.
also. Bidirectional also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what will that means I'm writing here why we'll use that points. Let me explain you here. That means that means
So I am taking 200.200.2. Is it okay?
200 or 200 or 200 or 2. No.
Yeah. Which one should I take then?
Public IP that from that.
Oh, okay.
That means it will be from
192.168.2.
okay. But that, if you are giving that two, no, do two
Uh-huh.
is for your gateway. You remember?
Yes. So I
If
should
you
give 4.
if you are giving that four,
No.
okay, not an issue. If you are giving four, but that four should be in your public IP address range. You have to create that range. That's the range I told you, no, that there you have to write the range of the IP address. You remember?
So how do I write that? So that's what
So
I'm
so so you
confused.
come. You come here. You let me complete this part, okay? Then after you
Okay. Okay.
I will tell you.
Okay.
That means it will be from outside to, so right here, from outside to inside
Mm-hmm.
to inside and inside to outside and inside to
Outside.
out outside, one particular to particular. I am telling you. Okay. What you do
Okay.
here? See here. Just come here. What I am telling you. Where is mine? This part. Static IP. Wait a minute. Uh, Translated packets is there? No. Translated packet.
Yes.
Translation
Yes.
type is dynamic IP you have given.
Translate. No, static. You said, right?
There is okay.
You told your translation type is static IP.
Okay. You give their dynamic IP there, translation type dynamic IP.
Okay.
Before that, you have created dynamic IP in the first class.
Dynamic IP and port.
Yeah, remember, no, in the first one, dynamic IP.
Yes.
Correct, no,
Yes.
that is same.
Yes.
You click that dynamic IP. You click that dynamic IP.
Then it
Then
asks. It didn't asking for an add.
you come and add there. There you can add a range of IP address. That means like 192.168.238.
Mhm.
No, outside 238.
Outside is 206.
206 dot. You should give here from dot 234.
Okay.
It is coming there. Add.
206.2. Yes, it's coming.
Then after again add is coming. Again add is coming here.
Yes.
You understood my
Yes.
point? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Okay. Then after save it.
So I'm giving 3 IPs.
3, 4 IP you should give
Oh,
here.
okay.
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 4, 5 also you should give here.
Yeah. Okay.
Then this
Done.
point done. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Then after what we are doing here, that means we'll be from outside to inside and inside to outside.
Outside. Yeah.
Okay? And this range we have created here. And from here, what I am telling you that IP address you should give no any public IP. That public IP from here you should give. You understood my point?
Okay. Wait. So the moment I click on translated packet,
Uh,
I see your translation type as dynamic IP, correct?
yeah, first we have created the dynamic. You remembered?
Yes.
Inside dynamic, just basics we have done. But here what we are doing, we are creating a pool. Okay?
Correct.
That pool we
Yeah,
have
but
created here. Let me explain. That pool we have created. That pool is
yeah,
coming inside the dynamic. But from this
correct.
dynamic pool, I will take one static IP.
Yeah,
And that static IP is coming inside your static net.
correct. But
And then after it will go outside.
okay, I got it. But here it is not giving me an option for bidirectional. It only gives me bidirectional option in the initial.
If I'll be give bidirectional, then only it will be that. That is the meaning of like we are going from static 1 to 1. Are you getting my point? Means I am fixing my one IP, which is my server, is going with that IP. You understood my point?
I understood, but here in this dynamic IP, it is not giving me an option
Yeah,
for
I understood. Not required because
yeah,
that is not
yeah.
coming in there. It is coming only in the static part.
In static one. Yeah, that's what I was telling
Ha,
you.
ha, ha, ha.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes. Should I save it?
Yeah, then save.
Okay.
There you should save.
And commit.
There you should commit there.
So even though I gave the name as static, I actually am doing a dynamic mapping.
From there you are taking one IP address. You understood my
Okay.
point. From
Okay,
there you
okay,
are
okay.
taking one IP address and that IP is going. Because there
Okay.
is the inside that dynamic pool is there. We have created the dynamic
Okay.
pool. And from dynamic
Oh,
pool I will take. You clear?
okay, got it. Yeah, it's
Little
clear.
bit, right now. Little bit it is, I
Little,
know
yeah,
we are twisting here, but like it is
yeah.
interesting things. So
Okay.
that part is done. Then after we are coming
Yes.
on
I'm just
next
committing
is,
it.
yeah. Then after what we will do, next you should come
Mm-hmm.
here. Next part. We are coming on the next sections. Inside the next, what we will do, we'll come in the security and you should come on
Okay.
the security.
Okay. Give me
Come
a
on the
second. And
security.
the security part. Yes. Came there.
Inside here, that name is
Mm-hmm.
there. That name is there.
Add.
Yeah. And
Okay. Name.
name inside that you should write here
Mhm.
II internet access. You should write here internet access. name.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Source is mine. Source is mine. Outside zone. Outside zone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
destination is mine. Destination is mine here. Inside. Inside. Okay.
Yes.
Destination is my inside. Then after on
Yes.
right side you will find destination address. You're getting their destination address.
Mm,
Destination address.
destination. Okay. Source is outside. Destination address. Destination is inside. I'm getting destination. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Destination address you should write here.
Yes.
Right, destination address you should give here.
Mm-hmm.
Your
Mm-hmm.
destination address should be here. Let me give it to you. That should be 192.168.
Mm-hmm.
168. Whatever your outside is there. Whatever your outside is there.
Or 206.
206. Yeah, you take there. 192 dot this one is 20.
No, 192, 168,
Dot
206 dot
206 dot you have taken
any IP.
any IP you should give. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give 9.
Okay. What is happened? You should come here in the application sections. Okay.
Okay.
Wait a minute. We will come on the application. 9 don't give 4 there. 3 give.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
Application. Come on the application section. Inside application
Mm-hmm.
section, you have here the service is there.
Yeah.
Inside service, you have to enable HTTP.
Um, 1 second. HTTP. It's giving me a lot of options.
Yeah, HTTP is should come here. Then wait a minute.
It doesn't give me.
With on, it's not coming only HTTP there.
Only HTTP. It doesn't come. It
Huh.
comes with HTTP audio, HTTP NSRI, proxy, tunnel, video.
Okay. Proxy is there. Proxy you check. Okay.
Okay, give me a second. Yeah, proxy is there.
Okay. Then after what you do,
Yeah.
you should come on the action part.
Okay.
Action part.
Mm-hmm.
Do okay. No need to change anything here. I'm writing here.
Okay.
No need to change anything here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then after what
Yeah.
should you have to do here? Commit and save. Commit and save. You saved,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. It's saving, it's still taking time.
Then after what? Okay, that would be saved.
No, it says internet access config. No, it is just a warning. Configuration committed successfully.
Done, done.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what you do? There in the bottom sections, you will find there highlights unused rules. You are getting
Yeah. I'm
highlights.
getting. Yes.
Let me write highlights
Yeah. It shows one internet access rule is unused.
unused. Yeah, unused rules. Okay, click on that. Click
Yeah.
on that, and
Mm-hmm.
whatever you click on, and that what you create, that is you up it. Okay, that you use it. Okay, and then okay.
Up it, use it means
That means
move it to up.
move it to up. Yeah,
It's disabled for me. Move is disabled for me.
it is not coming.
Okay, once again, I just clicked it. Okay, you have to click it and then up.
Yeah,
Okay, got it.
then
And then again, save it.
then after come, okay, save it. Yeah, that is by default it is saved. What you do,
Okay.
come on your PC, come on your PC, means your
Local machine.
local machine, and
Okay.
type here
Mm-hmm.
http
Mm-hmm.
192.168. What is your IP?
Okay.
What is your IP?
24. 10.24.
No, 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 no. That public IP you have used here, now outside address. 192
192.168.206.3.
4 3
4.
20 206.4. You open it?
4.
Open it.
HTTP 192.168.206.4. I can't open it.
You're not getting.
No.
That is inside the pool you have added this IP address there.
Yes. Do you want to see my system once?
Okay, you come here. Okay, just a minute. You should come here. Where? In your,
Where?
wait a minute. In your server. In your server, and try to open it.
Okay, give me a
192.168.
second. HTTP 192.168.206.4. It's still page cannot be displayed. It says, is this site a trusted site?
Yeah, you take it is trusted site.
Yeah.
That means you are reaching there.
Yeah, but it's not letting me go inside it. So I have to add it. No, the page cannot be displayed. Do you want to see my settings once?
Yeah, just do one thing. First, you try to ping this one 192.168.206.4.
Okay, let me just try pinging this. 192.168.204.4.
206 now. 206
Oh,
now.
sorry. Yeah. 206.4. Okay, it's not pinging from my local machine.
From there, outside.
Ping 168.206.4. It's not pinging from here either.
Oh, I'm giving you as a host. Give me permission.
Yeah.
Should I
Share
stop share?
screen. No, this is fine. Share. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is having no updates are available. You have to update this one.
Oh, this one is again a problem.
Yeah.
But this is this is actually my
Server.
server. Yes.
That's what.
Uh,
Install this one. And from open this PC, you are not going get connected with your internet. That is not connected. Why?
no, it was connected. I could ping my system. I could ping my DNS from here some time back.
Why it is coming? That's yellow sign here. Just try to ping 4.2.2.2.
Okay, I'm taking the control. Give me a second. Now it just stopped.
It should be go with that.
Yeah. See, I was able to ping it.
Okay, come here. Just a minute. Just you should come here on that point. Window here on Windows Server. Open that your Windows Server IP address. Show me the Windows Server IP address.
Okay.
No, you should have to give a static IP. You have given here
This is
238.4.
static IP only.
Okay, 238.4. This is inside.
Yeah. This is inside.
Okay, this is inside. Okay, and gateway is this one.
Yeah.
You disable it and give dot one. Give dot one. Disable it by default. It will take dot one. Go.
So automatically?
Huh.
Or should okay.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to give automatically only?
Yeah. Automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
It has taken 8.
Give 4.2.DLSC here. 4.2.2.2. Or 8.8.8.8. Okay. I try to bring from here.
Okay, 1 second.
Try to pick from here to your gateway, inside gateway. 206 or 238. Okay.
238.10.
238.
Gateway is pinging.
And show me your this IP, inside IP. This IP 238. No, you're getting from 238.
Yes.
Show me
Yes.
238. Okay, 238.8. Okay. 25. Okay. Then come here. Come to your Lampard. Come to your Lampard. Go to your firewall. Okay. Okay. Static net. Open the static net. Name is static net. Static net you open. Okay. Then original packets is by source. The source of wait a minute. 192.168. 192.168 inside fine. Okay. Destination
But the
location by
source is now 238, no, dot 8. So is this fine?
it should be dot 8. It should be dot 8.
Yeah, now because now it has changed. Earlier it was 4. Okay.
Fine now. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Service is my HTTP. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. Wait a minute. Translated packets is should come. Translated packets is my static IP. Translated packet translation any public IP. Just click. Okay. Translation type. Come on the translation type there, right side. Translation type. Not here. Not here. Not here.
Okay.
There. Click there. There you can take static. Wait a minute. Here. Any. Wait a minute. Translation type is my dynamic IP. Static IP. 1 minute. 1 minute. Translated type. Here you should write. In place of dynamic, you should write here static IP.
Here?
Yeah. Translated packet. Inside that, you should come here. In the dynamic IP.
Yeah.
Take here static IP.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Then after come on the translation type. Translation type any public with session dynamic IP. Any public IP. Okay, dynamic IP you give. Wait a minute. Translated address. Click there on translated address. Wait, either left side, left side. Translated address, left side, ma'am.
Okay.
Here,
So this one I have to remove.
any public IP, not AD server, not AD server.
No. I'll remove it.
Address.
It just comes.
Wait. Come,
Leave it as it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
First
Here.
Translated here. Translated IP is my any public IP. Any address you should go. Address you should go. Address. Type address. Here you type the address. Any public IP. 192.4. 4, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Just click on. Okay. IP net mask is 255. IP net mask. Okay.
Like that it wants?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bidirectional?
Bidirectional. Okay. Destination address. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. And then after commit it. Commit. Save it.
1 second. Just. Okay, now.
Both. Web browsing be allowed. Okay, let us see. Okay, that part. Come here. Close it. Close it here. Come on the security.
Okay.
Inside the security, we have created where that is our internet no internet access. Open it.
Yes, this one.
Access. Yeah. Okay. Source is my name is this one. Source is my outside zone. Source is my outside zone. Okay. Destination is my inside destination IP. Inside destination IP, that is 206, correct? No, 206.4.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
206. Wait a minute.
So,
wait a minute. No. It should be translated IP.
It's yeah. It is 238 dot.
Yeah, that is 190. Yeah, 238 something from here.
238.10.
Yeah.
8. Sorry.
You have given 8 inside the pool. No, you have given 4.
Okay, this is okay. Yeah.
4.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. There we have given this one. Then after come on the application. Inside applications, add applications. Here you type HTTP is coming or not. HTTP only. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. HTTP audio proxy tunnel. You should give any. Okay, because this option is not coming. I need HTTP, so you should give any there. Okay. First one, upper. Any option is there. No, not required. Any you should write here.
Should I remove this?
No. Keep it there. That any option is there. No, there.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Give any. Okay. Then after commit it and save it.
Yeah. Now.
Okay, then you come to your server and type. That is the IP address. What is the IP address you have? On the browser. Go to the browser. Open your internet browser. NAT browser http dot what is this 8 na
206.8. Are you sure? Because I'm a bit confused with the IP addresses only.
because this is going to translate, no? This is going to translate.
No, this is 206.8. I don't remember giving anywhere.
204 you have given, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. 204. You disable your antivirus and this one firewall. Here. Firewall you type here.
Where do I
Firewall.
type?
Windows firewall. Type there. Success. Windows firewall. You have it. Type here.
One second. I'm just taking the control. I can't see where I can type.
Here only simply you type, no? It will come with the Windows firewall. Firewall you type. Firewall, yeah. Windows firewall is there. No? Come here. Turn Windows firewall on.
It's off. It's off. It's off.
All is off.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you check once again your VMNet 8 and VMNet 1 IP? Will you check there?
Yeah.
Come there.
Okay, 1 second. Not here. No. 1 second.
Idea. Virtual network.
So VMNet 1 is 238.0.
Correct.
That's inside.
Okay.
And VMNet 8 is a NAT, and NAT has this settings.
.2. Correct.
Correct, no?
Yeah, correct. Come on the VMNet 1. Show me the VMNet 1. It is connected with your server is connected with your VMNet 1. Show me the project.
Okay, 1 second.
Come on the settings part.
It's here.
Do it VMNet 1. Okay. Custom, come here. Custom. Come here and give it VMNet 1. Okay. And go and host.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. And come on the Palo Alto.
Okay.
And you can know their settings.
Where?
On settings. On VM settings.
Okay, 1 second. This is not working. Okay.
Settings.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Adapter.
Where is VMNet 0? Okay. One is your 8. That is your net. Okay. And third is your host only. That is your do here net 1. Do here VMNet 1. Custom. Okay.
Again back to host only.
Again back to host only. Then after
okay.
You come to your PC. You come to your
PC.
Here open Internet Explorer or anything.
Yeah.
And disable your antivirus and this all things is disable here. Firewall is disable here. Defender, check it now.
Oh, it's on. 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next. Your antivirus is disabled?
Disabled. That's disabled, yes.
Okay. Then HTTP. Type here. 192.168.206.4. Cannot reach. Okay, come here in this PC. Open your NAT part. NAT. This PC internet. Come to internet. Not here. Not GUI.
Then
your machine. Your machine.
This is my machine.
This machine. Open your NAT on VMnet. No, here, not here, man. Your
Where,
internet.
where?
Give me this one. Where internet? You are connected with internet. No, your main PC.
Yes, yes,
Open your
yes.
main PC. Open your main PC.
This is my main PC.
Just this is your main PC. No, you just got
Yeah.
here. You come here and open and
Uh,
show me that three adapters we have created here. No, VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. Right? Remember. Come there.
yes.
Come and open it. Go there. No, 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 no.
No,
Give me
I'm
permission. Give me permission.
okay. Okay. Oh, stop share. 1 second. One second. I just you have to make me again.
Yeah, you are host only.
Yeah, no, no, no. I made you the host by
Okay.
mistakenly. You have to again make me the host. Okay.
See
You
here.
have to give you permission to remote control. Yeah,
Even
I gave you the remote control access.
okay. I am telling you here. This one.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Take it and open it.
Okay.
And open your uh, adapters. Up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh no, not this one.
not this one.
Yeah.
Here. Open the VMnet one. Open the VMnet one first and check the details. 192.168. That is correct, no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Open. Give the come on VMnet 8. Yeah. Open it. Okay. That is fine. Fine.
Sorry.
Okay. And your Wi-Fi 10.10.
Yes. 24.
10.10.24. Okay.
And management IP meeting 10.0.0.5.
10.0.0.5.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Management IP is 1 minute. Let me give it. 160. 10. Wait a minute. 27. 157.20. Okay, outside address, no? Outside
Mm-hmm.
address, destination address. Come on the
Yeah.
security part. Come on the security part. On your GUI.
Yeah. Yeah.
On your GUI. And come open your security. Open this internet access. Internet
Mm-hmm.
access. And here you should give here. You should give here. Not 238 is your outside, no?
It's
238.
inside.
This is inside. No, give here
Yes.
outside. Give here outside.
So what about this part?
Yeah. What is happening? See. Yeah, you can add it. No, not an issue. You can delete it. Come and delete it. Why I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling you? Because you are accessing from outside to inside. Are you getting my
Inside.
point?
Yes.
So here,
Yes.
that I explained you, when the traffic is coming from outside, they have no idea about the real IP. They should know
Yeah.
about the your translated IP. You understood?
Translated IP.
Yeah. So here you should
Yes.
give here. You should give here your from that IP address. From that.
206. 206
So
dot
0 so dot
4 only.
4. Yeah. Okay. Then okay.
Save it.
Save it. then no issue is coming, right?
No.
Yeah. Come and open from your GUI
Okay.
from outside, that means from your PC,
My PC.
machine, from your machine.
Still not able to do it.
Go on Google Chrome. Go on Google Chrome. Open from here.
Yeah.
192. Not opening. Okay, 1 minute. Come to your static net. Come to your static GUI. Come there. GUI.
GUI. Okay.
First, you show me the dynamic IP where you should have come on the translation, right? Translation you should have that. Okay. There you have your dynamic IP is there, right? Which we have created. First
Yeah.
dynamic
This is
IP.
the first one.
Yeah,
Yes.
open it dynamic IP. Here we can create a public IP range of the pool here, right? Original
Yeah.
packets, come on the original packets. Original packets here, source and destination, okay? And just a minute, on translated packet, this one, Ethernet, this one, okay, fine. Come on the original packets,
Yeah.
and here what you do, create here source address, public IP range of the pool here. So the pool should be at
Add.
no, not there. Inside your disk there.
Yeah. Source address.
Inside your yeah source address. Take 204. Take
204.
yeah.
192.168.206.204.
Take 204.
How?
Okay and okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And then after save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a
Now.
minute. Wait, come on the static net.
Okay.
Original packets, static net. Okay.
Yeah.
Source zone
Mm-hmm.
is inside. Destination zone is my outside.
Mm-hmm.
Services is my HTTP. And source address is my client IP address PC. That is the real IP address of my PC. That is 8, correct? No? That is 8
Yes.
there, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then after come on the translated packets. Come on the translated
Yeah.
packets. Translated packet is static IP and translated address is my any public IP address, that is I took 192.168.206.4.
206.4. Yeah.
Okay, and bidirectional. Okay,
Yeah.
so this one. Okay, then after you should come on the security. Come on the security.
One second. I'm not sure if I saved it or not. Just give me a second. Okay, sorry. Security.
Close here. Security come there. Inside that
Yeah.
security, we have this one, internet one, right? Internet access.
Yes. Yes.
First one. Yeah, click here. Their internet access we have given here. Source is my outside zone. Source is my outside zone, correct? Destination is my inside, inside, and IP address is
Mm-hmm.
my 192.168. Wait a minute. This my IP address is correct with my configuration. Just one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
With my IP address, this is uh, here. It should be your outside. Your outside. That is correct, no? 206.4. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay.
2 to 6 my outside.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Then what? What
Hmm.
you then say? Will
Hmm. Next.
yeah, server. Go to the services categories. Services categories is there. Okay. After that, 1 minute. Wait a minute. Go to services here. Open that point. Open that.
Where, sir? Where services?
Same. Internet.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Here, we have go to services and categories.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Services and categories.
Okay.
And here you are getting server services is my service HTTP. Type service HTTP, add
It's
service
there.
HTTP. Yeah, correct. Very good.
Yeah.
Fine, we got it, right?
Yes.
Then after, okay, and commit it. Then after commit it. Then close it.
Yeah.
Then come on your PC. Here,
Okay.
open Internet Explorer and try to open this one.
I don't think so. It's opening.
It will work because that is 100% correct configuration. That means you have to clear one cache memory once. That is 100% it's work. Okay, we come here on your this point. Yeah,
Did you say anything? Because I couldn't hear your voice. That's the thing.
yeah. Open from here. Enabled something is coming HTTP. Open.
What is this?
Okay. Come there in the NAT part once again. Because two NAT is by default one NAT should be there. That NAT I am not getting. Just come on the GUI. Hello. 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 Yeah, it's disconnected. Uh-huh. Why? Okay. Do one thing. Do one thing. No, your Palo Alto. Hello. Hello. What you do? आप जो Palo Alto है ना, उसको आप पूरा से रिमूव करो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक डिफॉल्ट नेट करके आता है. हम लोगों ने जो क्रिएट किया है ना, एक डिफॉल्ट नेट पहले से प्रेजेंट था. यू रिमेम्बर? we have deleted the default net. तो आप क्या, यू रिमेम्बर ना, क्योंकि एक डिफॉल्ट नेट होगा, उसके थ्रू हम लोग को जाना है पॉलिसी क्रिएट करके. तो आप क्या करो ना, जो Palo Alto आपने क्रिएट किया ना, इसको रिमूव करो फिर से, एंड यू इंस्टॉल इट वन सेकेंड. यू हैव ऑन, मैंने पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है वीडियो में, राइट? करेक्ट नो? तो आप बस वहां पे है जहां तक है ना, मतलब आप अनइंस्टॉल कर दो पूरा. वहां सी ड्राइव से जहां पे आपने इसको डाला है उसको फिर से डालो, और जो भी स्टेप मैंने किया है वो बाय डिफॉल्ट एक नेट आएगा, और एक हम लोगों ने नेट क्रिएट किया है. ठीक है? तो जो डिफॉल्ट नेट है ना, वहां पे जाके आप डालो इसको, जो मैंने बोला है. ठीक है? और उसके बाद इस स्टेप को आराम से होगा, कुछ भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपके पास मेरे स्टेप्स है ना, पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना ये काम? हाँ. ओके ओके ओके. सो आप इसको ये करो,